basic principle or the bottom line is give access to the vaccine for everyone who desires it and who deserves it. I don't understand a 30-year-old young man or a woman having severe diabetes. What right do we have to say no, because you are 30 and you are not 45, you won't get vaccine? I mean, this is unethical. At this juncture, as on today, as anticipated, we are on the rising arm of the curve. That means we are getting more cases day by day, and it will continue for next at least couple of weeks. Now, when you see one positive case, there are at least 25 times the number of cases who are positive but who are not detected. That means in Pune, if there are 8,000 people being reported, multiply it by 25 times, that comes to 2 lakh. So 200,000 people in Pune are right now likely to be positive. Some of them are super transmitters or super spreaders, and they transmit more. You please note that next 2 to 3 weeks, we are going to see upward trend of these cases unless we intervene. If we don't do anything, this trend will go up and up, and it will remain for a pretty long time. First and foremost, let us understand, vaccine alone or vaccination alone as a standalone strategy will not work. That is first and foremost. Because even if I take vaccine today, I'm not going to get protected tomorrow. It takes longer time to build the immunity. And even after the immunity is built up, it is not that I may not be able to get infected. Take my own case. I took 2 doses of vaccination and still got infected. Now that is because humoral antibodies which are in my body may not protect the lodging of the virus in my nose or in my throat. Number 2, even in spite of proper dosaging, proper vaccination, still at least 20%, 15 to 20% people will get infected. Now that no vaccine on earth can guarantee you 100% people, 100% protection. That doesn't happen. We knew that if we want to make a dent in this particular pandemic, 30 crore Indians need to be vaccinated in a span of 3 months. And for 30 crore people to be vaccinated, we need 60 crore doses. Now, why we could not calculate these simple, mathematical local manufacturers, indigenous manufacturers, and also if need be, import wherever it is needed? These questions are there. Nobody is asking, and there is no need to vaccinate all 135 crore Indians. We need to vaccinate the people where there is a peak of outbreak, peak of epidemic, where actually the growth rate of this epidemic is so high, where right now 40% positivity is occurring in, say, city of Pune or city of Nashik. Now, these are the cities where you try and give vaccination to everyone beyond the age of 18. At least start with those population between 18 and 45 having comorbidities. First, I was saying that at least start with 45. Now they are accepted after a delay of 1.5 months. Now I am insisting, please start it with 18 years and above everyone, if not at least those who are comorbid. I don't understand a 30-year-old young man or a woman having severe diabetes. What right do we have to say no, because you are 30 and you are not 45, you won't get vaccine? I mean, this is unethical. Door-to-door vaccination can be discussed. However, mobile vaccination center approach is age-old. Nothing great about that. We have done it. As a DG Maharashtra, as a Director Health Services Maharashtra, we have vaccinated large number of children and taking our sub-centers as a unit, which is actually a mobile, every sub-center, and where we have taken the vaccine. Even ambulances were fully equipped with the possibility of treating and managing anaphylactic reaction. If we do that, it is possible. Basic principle or the bottom line is give access to the vaccine for everyone who desires it and who deserves it. In 2 weeks, 45 plus, only thing is that we cannot do it compulsory because it is not something we can't send police and bring those guys. So what we need to do is use community leaders as the motivators, those who can advocate, and let them help us to mobilize the community so that everyone is brought to the center, everyone is given the facility and access to this vaccine, and those who are not willing, if those who are denying because of some doubts, we need to answer those doubts. So this is all possible, and those local bodies or municipal corporations or municipal councils or the district health authorities, those who fail to do that, they are not worth their salt. If we have to, not if, we have to, there is no alternative. Let us do it in a mission mode. You have no alternative.